Alright, still got a big time from Bubsat, and we see the one this our website matter to go now. So like this will be like so we don't enter like part 4 for this video. Oh wow. The last video, now this part we do now, which is these collections. So what we'll do for this video now, this part now I want to do now. So if you look at this guy this stand alone on you now, this picture for here. Then one kind of space did this place. Then we get this medium, these two paragraph here, then we'll get these three guys here. So this one not supposed to take our time like that. So we'll just jump at the code sharply now. What I'll do now, I'll come here. I'll say section. I'll give this guy more space. I'll say section C. Let's see. Come here. So section C. So now inside the section C, I'll say grid container. And more observe this thing. So here now, if we say may be like grid 35 B. Here if it be like grid 35 now, then maybe this other side now be grid 60. Now it will be 60 plus 35, so now it be like 95. Then the remaining 5 now, we'll put down for here. So we'll prefix this side 5 now. So we'll just down quickly now. I'll come here now, say dot grid 35, then dot prefix 5 dot grid 60 now. Dot grid 60. All right. So look it down like this now. What we'll do now? Inside 35 now, we'll get that picture. We'll do the picture quickly. I'll come here now. I'll just call her, since it be like magazine, I'll say magazine style. Magazine style. Then inside the magazine style now, so we'll get picture. Or the many class what they would create safe. You know, make I beg you. Magazine style. I'm not just in magazine style, they put image now. Eh? But leave it like that, no level. I'll come here now. Which picture? This one now, showing stick leg table. What did the name of this is a character I say? I don't really fear myself. This showing stick leg table. I'll come here. I'll say assets / showing stick leg table. But you know blaming I think like showing stick. More refresh and more see first. More refresh, more see. Oh, it big go. Oh yeah, more do some kind of small styling. So that was service stick leg table where I'll kind of say section dot section C. Then more give a background color now. So the background color must see. Still there with this one. So come here. Might just copy from here now. Background color this, then padding. So copy this padding, but come on. Why this in there? Wardrobe. So come here, paste on. We'll not need relative now, so we'll go delete and come out. Then we'll come out this bottom here. So padding. Top and bottom 0 pixel, while the left and right now. And top and the bottom are 100 pixel. Then the left and right it will be 0 pixel. Okay. We'll see. Alright. Then now we'll try to reduce this picture small. So what we'll do now, we'll come here, we'll see copy this one now. Then dot magazine style. Magazine style. Then we'll see maybe height be like 600 pixel. The width to be 100%. And we'll leave this one here. Okay, more just say overflow hidden. So come here, I'll duplicate this. Then we want to target the image inside magazine style now. So simple now. Height go the auto, the max suite, 100%. If you not understand this, I'll not teach our CSS. I'm gonna watch my CSS video. Then we'll see me the display be block. We say block. That's supposed to arrange itself for there. Refresh and we'll not get them. So if you see how now, we'll get exactly the same leg now. You know, blame me now. See how now, the leg black should stick now. Black should stick. So you know, blame me. So the thing really funny. Black should stick. You know, this time, like if they travel, they go maybe Lagos now. A man of call Lagos, Lagos I should put it as if they travel, they go like Zoro now. They pass all those Robo village there now. Man, see, I don't forget the Anisha. It's the kind of mama that just come outside the brush teeth with chewing stick. When you see the leg now is able to chewing stick. Talk truth. Guys come on baggy or grandma now. You're surprised by the time you go village or Christmas in SA, they don't cut all of the do chewing stick. Go shock you like film. I want to say, mama go change that for you. Go clear like DVD. Alright, we'll continue to go. So magazine style. Then what we need to do next year? Inside the grid 60 now, I'll come here and see article style now. See now, not be article style. I'll come here article style. So I might just do this quickly. I'll just say ARTICLE article style. Then inside the article style now, if you look this thing well, what was that again? We'll get one section here. So if we place one now, maybe like a top section, then this other side will be like a bottom section. So I think it's supposed to be like that now. More one like that. So here could be top section and here could be bottom section. So I'll come here. I'll say top section. Then inside top section, I'll duplicate. I'll say bottom section. So more give a gap. So the top section are inside now. I'll go inside quickly now. More look again. If we give this medium December now, if we place them inside grid 80, we'll put them for H1, place inside grid 80, medium, we'll break the second down now, normally. Then the bottom here now, so we'll create like grid, so give this space now. Must see. 45 plus 45 is supposed to give 90. So based on 45, then we'll prefix this 110. You can make it like that now. So we'll do it quickly now. So we'll come top section here now. I'll just say grid container. So the grid container now will get dot grid 80. Inside grid 80 now, we'll get H1. So the H1 will be the right here again. Medium December 2019. So I'll come here, I'll say medium. B arrow. December. Those French person are December. A bit Spanish person December. December 2019. December 2019. Then we'll come down again. Dot grid 45. So definitely 8045 now supposed to be like 180 now. Now it be 125 now. So you know the one like this one will break come down now. So may not be like I know what I do. So you go break on now, say lorem tab. So lorem tab. Then I'll just duplicate this one. Duplicator. So most what we'll get here. Fresh. Okay, you see it already get the alignment. Now for us to style now. So we'll get medium December 2019, then we'll get these guys like this now. In fact, 45, more prefix them now so that it will shift good aside. So I'll come in, I'll just say prefix 10. So I'll go back to my browser, refresh, make I see. All right, I like it like this. So time to style these guys here. So say article style. I just do, no need to beg. My type. I'll say section dot abi section C. This one, it not really the composite for me to put this one shower, but I just like what I beg. That's what I like do. On my computer and my code. That's what I like. If it paying you, go boy stone. So article and style. Article style. So style this guy first. We'll just say maybe the height. We'll match the height with this magazine style. And they do here now. This here. So here now. The match. So more match HIGHT height. And we'll say 600 pixel. What should we do again? Let's look. Mostly display flex. Not necessarily shabets. There are so many ways to kill a rat. And now this one I want to kill the rat. So not blame me. So flex direction, we'll say column. Then I go my browser or local. All right. I know this will come in handy later, sure. So I'll come here, duplicate inside article style, look for top section. So when you get the top section, we'll give the height 50 pixel. Sorry, 50%. So that go share and make echo now. 50%, then more just overflow it in. I'll copy this guy here. Overflow it in, paste them like this. Refresh. Okay, whenever they send effects. Now we'll see effects just now. So I'll come here, copy this one again, and say H1. Then inside this H1 now, most set to one style now. See, I'm setting big. So definitely we'll go increase font size. Then in near short small. When we increase font size now, definitely we'll put line height. Then we'll go change the fonts now, make the fonts may resemble maybe like that time some font now. I think that's what I call sans serif there. A bit serif, sorry. But anyway, I get the font like already packaged down. If you resemble this one, I'll go find and download. So you physically find your own downloads too, but that's how it goes with this. So I'll come here. I'll say inside the H1, we'll first transform the text now to capitalize. Then we'll capitalize now, we'll increase the font size. We'll make the font size now, make it be like 60 pixel. Then the line height will be like maybe 60 pixel too. Then the font I'll go use, and also the font's tiny. So I'll send me the font width now be like 700. No pixel. It will be 700. Then font family. Okay, any long name like that. Cormorant Garamond. Cormorant Garamond. Cormorant Garamond. Then I'll come here. I'll send me the color, but that same color we use now. That blue. Oh, fine. Now where they? See here. This blue. They made the font family now. Be okay. We already put font family. We're going to put margin bottom. Since the space for there. See yeah, this space. We're going to put margin bottom. So same margin bottom be 40 pixel. So I'll go back, I'll refresh. Let's see. Okay. We'll get that. So now let's style this guy. Most people will do for you now. So to style this one now, I'll copy this, then this time I'll change the H1 to paragraph. I'll change the H1 to paragraph. So mostly more observe the fonts, this thing here. So I think we'll still do capitalize we'll not really get much things so bless one do here. So I'll just come. Might find any paragraph I just type if my TV code. Okay, might see this one code. Then I'll delete it I don't need. Because I'm not typing it, I want the video not to the long in here like that. I don't to make this one long. So I'll come here and I'll say I'll come out this margin. Text align will come out. Font size 14 pixel go there. Font weight we'll change it to 400. The color we'll get family lato. Then more just transform it. We need to do that one safe. More come out. I'll see. Okay. I think I like this. Okay, so ensure that the text there plenty away compared to this one. So they make it look one kind of eye. So if you even come yourself, we'll got delete small text now. I'll delete and reach here. Then I'll copy this one, paste them here. So that could be the same thing. So I'll go my browser, I'll refresh. Yes, I like it like this. We'll see. This here. See this here. It's fresh. Just like that, it's fresh. So now we'll get this, we'll work on this picture so the bottom here now, so I'll go in this one. So quickly, I'll come here, I'll see the bottom section now. The bottom section. I'll do grid container. Grid container. Begging you. Grid container, grid 33. Then I'll just put pic, and the pic will get image. Pic will get image. So quickly, which image there must see? This one will get a lot of inside house. Now we decline the go. Pick A. So come here. This is not pick A. I think might just get at the picture name now big. Pick A. The second one. Pick D. And the last one. Pick E. So I'll just come here. Pick. Okay, sorry. Assets. Pick A. Pick D and pick E. So might just be kids and sharp. Pick D and pick E. So I'll go my browser, I'll refresh. Alright, you see we don't get them. Just like that, we don't get them. But might not even like that. I just come and just do some kind of small style for the picture. They always do them. It's a very, very good thing. I always do them. So I'll come here. I'll duplicate. No need to duplicate. I'm not confused now. I'll come and just say bottom section. So bottom section, then dot pick. So inside this pick now, mostly make the height. Make the height be 300 pixel. 300 pixel. This is this picture. Turn on side of Photoshop now. So at the height, like I can be that. I remember, and overflow hidden. And a very good there. I'll call show now. Yeah? How I start everything from Photoshop direct. Plus, I'm gonna make me pass. 100%. So I'm not going to confused because if I talk Skype time, I'll say Photoshop now. Skype will be like something concerning Photoshop. They'll call it like the squeeze face or they say they watch video. And then I person they watch my video squeeze face. And you like not good. So display block and height will be auto and max width 100%. So I think that should be it for this guy. Refresh. Just shift counter now. So without run this one now, you see exactly what it is now. This video is supposed to long now. Exactly what it is now. Now we'll get for here now. Even though say these words them that they play with our eyes kind of times, but more leave it like that. We feel say okay, instead of the 45 self, oh yeah, we'll come here, come out the prefix, then more just align maybe 50. We'll see. 50. Can I do the other space all for yourself? You know, make brain. I'll do this for. We'll put a make brain. Make brain. So we'll leave around 50. 45 the day before. They get so that it goes space where make for space where no one say this guy they encroach now. So community fighting they start now. Now see they start. Just small place as I go easy enter your community now. So it don't bust so don't gather for the junction there. So we'll leave it like this. And that I will end this video. Thank you very much for watching. And still a loyal guy, big tank from Double South. Now be like the video, subscribe, and spread the good news. Tell everybody in the head it happen. May they can learn web design and cool programming tutorials. Thank you.